What's up, tech enthusiasts? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got our hands on the brand new Oppo K12s. Now, this phone just dropped in China, and it looks suspiciously similar to something we've seen before. The Oppo K13 5G launched in India. The Oppo K12s seems to be positioned as a strong mid-range contender with a significant emphasis on battery life and fast charging. It also aims to provide a smooth user experience with its high refresh rate display and capable processor. This new device appears to be the final addition to the Oppo K12 series, which already includes the K12, K12X, and K12 Plus. The K12s is essentially a slightly modified version of the Oppo K13 that made its debut in India recently. So is this just a rebrand with a new name? And more importantly, is it any good? Let's dive in. The Oppo K12s features a 6.67 inches Samsung E4 AMOLED screen with Full HD Plus resolution, a 120Hz refresh rate, and up to 1200 nits of brightness. For security, it features an in-display fingerprint scanner. For selfies and video calls, the front camera is a 16-megapixel Sony IMX480 sensor. On the back, the phone carries a dual-camera setup with a 50-megapixel main sensor and a 2-megapixel secondary lens. It ships with Android 15 layered with Oppo's ColorOS 15. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 4 SoC, paired with up to 12 GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 8 GB of virtual RAM. Storage options include up to 512 GB UFS 3.1. The K12s should offer sufficient processing power for everyday tasks, multitasking, and even some moderate gaming. It also features a large 7,000 mAh battery with support for 80 watts fast charging. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.2, NFC, an IR blaster, and a USB-C port. It is equipped with dual speakers, a 5,700mm square vapor chamber cooling system, and a 6,000mm square graphite layer. The phone weighs 208 grams, measures 8.45mm thick, and has an IP65 dust and water resistance rating. What do you guys think of the Oppo K12s? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.